Hey Cynthia, I'm going to make a couple corrections on the work that you did for your post-test that you sent me. So let's take a look. So for this first one here, x over 4 is less than or equal to negative 3 over 2. You did it good where you we're going to be multiplying by 4 from each side, on each side, because we want to get rid of the 4 here. That's the whole reason why we do it. So once we get rid of the 4's here and here, then we just have x. So we have x is less than or equal to. Now when we multiply by 4 here, what happens is what you did. We can reduce the 2 and the 4 to be 1 and 2. Now remember what we're doing is multiplying. So negative 3 times 2 now gives us negative 6. So this will be our answer. This one here is perfect. Let's look down here. We want to start by multiplying by 9. That's great. What will happen is those will cancel. This cancels. This is perfect. It becomes 1 and 3. So what we need to do, what we have left here is 7x is greater than. Now we have negative 14 times 3, which if we do that, so calculating, 14 times 3 gives us 42. And that's going to be negative 42. And then, like what you did right here, we now need to divide both sides by 7. And so those cancel, so that we just have x, which is what we want, is greater than negative 6. And then let's go over here. You're right that we need to multiply by 4 on both sides because of this happening. So we're going to multiply by 4, so that goes away. So we have negative 75x is greater than. Now here we're going to multiply by 4, and that reduces to 1 and to 2. So now we have to do 225 times 2. So I think that's the part that you've been missing in a couple of these places. So 225 times 2 gives us 450. 450. And now we need to divide by negative 75. Divide by negative 75. And we get 6. So now this is going to be a positive x here, but what happens whenever we're dividing by a negative, this sign needs to switch. So now it's going this way, and this 450 divided by negative 75 is negative 6. Okay. And then here, you're right that it's negative 8, and so it's going to be x is greater than negative 8. Now on your test, you're going to have to pick a graph that goes with it. And so let's draw this graph. If we have a number line, let's say we have 0 here, or sorry, let's do negative 6 right here, and 0 is going to be over here. It has a line underneath that equals sign, and so it's going to be a solid dot at negative 6. And then it goes less than, so it's going to be going in this direction. So a solid dot because it's less than or equal to, and then we're going to go, the less than direction is this way. For this one here, if we have negative 8 and we have 0, this is going to be an open circle at negative 8 because there's no equal sign. And then it's greater than, so it's going to go this way. Let's look at here. We have negative 6 again. Let's do 0 here. Greater than, so it's going to be open, and it's going to be going this way. And then our last one, negative 6, 0. It's going to be open at negative 6, and it's less than, so it is going that way. Hopefully this helps you.